Well, Mother Nature isn't finished with a tree when it dies. Eventually, it ends up as a deadfall on the ground here. And you can tell so much about what's been going on in the life of this tree. You see little holes here where insects have gone into it. You don't see any bugs right now, but this thing is being broken down and recycled. I mean, there's no fertilizer service in nature. It has to do it itself. Some people say that it takes as long for a tree to recycle back into the earth as it did to grow, as its lifespan was. Appreciate this too. This is Mother Nature, the original recycler, reuser, repurposer, at work all through the forest.